be? And most importantly, where's the EBITDA have to be? So for a $20 million company, your EBITDA is going to have to be between $3 million and $5 million.
Break it down there for when you're speaking about the EBITDA. So people
earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, amortization.
Now, why is that so important?
Because buyers are buying cash flow. They don't want to buy. They're not going to spend $20 million for a company that's losing money.
Mm.
You know, so nobody's going to spend $20 million unless it can get, you know, $3 to $5 million in EBITDA and get a return on their investment.
And I remember people was asking that question. It was like, well, when I look at a financial statement and I'm looking at that EBITDA, right? What does this mean? Like, why do I care about this? So a lot of people, they try to look at 10K reports, financial reports. And that's why when I heard you say that, I said, bingo, that's so important. You're looking at the cash flow. Why is that so important for companies? I didn't mean to cut you off there. I just wanted to make sure I got that out there for you.
Yeah, no, you're good. You're good. The reason it's so important and the reason it's really important is because you'd be surprised, Prince, how many business owners don't even know how much money they make. Like they know what their top line is, but they really don't know what their cash flow is. And the reason for that is because many business owners live out of the business. They run personal expenses through the business. They also have non-recurring expenses that are ran through the business, and they don't always pay attention to the bottom line. So when we do an evaluation, we do what we call normalize the financials so that we can get to the true seller's discretionary earnings or to the true adjusted EBITDA. And again, EBITDA is earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, amortization, and adjusted is where we add back personal and non-recurring expenses. So why is this so important? Well, this is important because you as a business owner want to know exactly what you're making in your business because, you know, that's how it's a scorecard, right? That's how we monitor how well our business is doing. I mean, a lot of businesses go out of business because the business owner is not paying attention to the numbers. And there's been several situations where there's embezzlement. There's been several situations where business owners have had to close their business down because the person they put in charge took everything. So you really always want to have your pulse on the numbers. You know, always say trust but verify, inspect what you expect, and make sure that you keep a pulse on what's going on in your business. And numbers, you know, always say don't get mad, get the stats. Your financials is the most important, one of the most important things in your business to know if your business is doing well or not. And buyers are not going to spend $20 million for a business that's not profitable.